In this video, I'd like to show you how to set up the limiting reactants lab at Butte College. You're going to get a ring stand and attach to that a burette clamp. You'll have a large beaker filled with some water and then also get a gas burette. The first thing we'll want to do is fill that gas burette with water. So you can first attach it to the burette clamp upside down, meaning that the closed end is on the bottom, the opened end is on the top. And then take a beaker that's filled with water and pour it into the top of the gas burette. So you can fill it all the way to the top, and you want to make sure there's no air bubbles, so go all the way to the top until it completely spills over. And then take your finger and put it over top of the burette to trap the water. Turn it upside down, stick your finger into the water bath, and let go. And if you do, the water will stay into the burette. You can then secure that into the burette clamp and raise it up a little bit. Then let's get our reaction flask ready. So take a clamp and attach that to a ring stand. And we're going to do our reaction in a large test tube. We'll attach some tubing to that. And our goal is to trap the gas that's produced in the reaction. So at the end of the tubing, there's a little piece of glass, a U-shaped piece of glass. You want to first position that in the water bath and inside of the gas burette. So that way that the gas that comes through the tubing has to bubble through the burette, and that's how we're going to trap it. And next, let's get our hydrochloric acid solution. You're going to pour 20 milliliters of that into a large graduated cylinder and record the actual volume that you use. You can pour that into the large test tube and then clamp that to the ring stand at an angle. Okay, so we are ready to go. So I'm going to get my strip of magnesium, which I previously got the analytical mass of, and when I'm ready to go, I'm going to throw it in real quick and put the stopper on. Okay, and when they start reacting, we're going to see bubbles form, and those bubbles are going to get trapped into the gas burette. If you find that the magnesium accidentally sticks on the side, you can sometimes just slosh the solution around a little bit to make them contact, and then it'll start reacting. But yeah, so here is our bubbling reaction, and our gas is getting trapped inside of the burette. And we're going to keep on letting it react until the bubbles are done. This is what it will look like when the reaction is done. There's no more bubbling in the flask, and there's no more bubbles coming up into the gas burette. And the last thing to show you is how to record the volume of gas inside the burette when you've equalized the pressure with the atmospheric pressure. So you first want to put your finger underneath the gas burette to trap that little residual water as well as the gas. And then bring that over to a large cylinder of water. You can put that burette into the water, let go, and then this gives you flexibility to raise and lower it. You want the liquid level inside the burette and inside the cylinder to be equal, and that's when the pressures are equal. It's easiest to read the volume if you push it toward the side of the cylinder.